So you have the Get Snatched cream. Now what? Did you know that you can not only use it for your waist, you can also use it on your arms, on your thighs that are probably sticking together because it's hot out, and also on your face. So if your body is anything like mine, after a little high sodium meal, it likes to get a little fullness and it's not of joy. It looks like, I look minute. So how you can combat that and get that V line back on your face and you get back on track is by doing this. So you can get one of these doohickeys off of Amazon, okay? And it's amazing. Your ears go here, and it keeps going. So you apply your Get Snatched cream directly to your face. Now, what I would encourage you to do is, patch test it first, because I don't know how your skin will react. And since it is hot out, what you're going to have to do when you get your Get Snatched cream is, so you have your Get Snatched detox tea. Now what? You steep that bad boy for 10 minutes right before bedtime and add a little pineapple juice for sweetness. No agave, no plain white sugar, no stevia, no monk fruit, no nothing. Okay? Because it's a detox. And if you're trying to get snatched and you're trying to flush all that stuff out your system in 14 days, follow these instructions. And I guarantee you will see results. And then on top of that, your skin will be clearer. You will feel lighter. You'll feel revived. And those pants that you couldn't fit last week, go ahead, put them bad boys on. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl, the Fit Fine Flawless, about to drop some tips for the thicker than a Snicker cream that you may not have already known. So what you can do is actually apply the cream not only on your butt, you can also apply it on your hips, and it will definitely fill out those hip dips. But another thing that you can do is use the thicker than a Snicker cream on your chest area. And this technique is amazing for achieving a fuller, plumper look in any area that you want to be. So when I first started using the thicker than Snicker cream on my bust area, I was an A cup. Now I am a C cup. So this technique has definitely helped push my results faster and further than I could have ever imagined. So what you're going to do is take your thicker than a Snicker cream and apply a dime size amount on your breast. For purposes of this demonstration, I am not going to be fully rubbing this in because it's just a demonstration. Now that it's already there, what you have to do is take your blow dryer. This is my blow dryer. It looks kind of funky, but this is the curl wand kind of thing. But you're going to take your blow dryer, put it on high, and gently go across your body to not only allow the cream to dry faster, but also allow the cream to act as a vasodilator, like a vasodilator, good Lord. And what that does, it expands the blood vessel and allows the cream to seep further into your skin so that you can get results even faster. So instead of a blow dryer, you can also use a hot compress or take a hot shower, come right out when your body is already warm, and allow it to work even faster for you. So that's my tip and trick for the day. And y'all have a good day. Hey. Deuces. So you have your Lash Me Baby serum. Now what? This is what you do, girl. Mama girl. You take this Lash Me Baby serum and you can apply it directly onto your lashes. But did you know that you can also apply it to your eyebrows? I had a little botched nair incident, quarantine COVID vibes. And then you could also apply it to your edges. So as you can see, I did have, well, you may not have seen because these filters are a hell of a drug. So I had some bald patches on my hairline due to the fact that I glued down a wig, which was a horrible idea. Don't do it. Don't recommend. Never use super glue to glue down a wig. Just FYI. If you didn't know, now you know. If you do know, you have common sense, which I was lacking that day. So that's what you can do with this Lash Me Baby serum. Deuces.